चलो फर्स्ट हाँ हाँ yes that question only, that question you continue with that. You just write down the heading revision 2 and continue with that page only. You write down heading the value of, let me use some other marker, the value of, my dear screen is clear, what you're telling me, the value of this the value of the value of mod of -5 minus mod of -3, mod of -5 minus mod of -3 is the value of mod of -5 minus mod of -3 is option. My dear, clear it is. Absolute value. Whenever you see vertical bracket means it is absolute value. Okay. A is -2, B is 2, C is 1, and D is 3. The value of mod of -5 minus mod of -3 is B is 2. Okay. No, you don't tell me the answer. No, you don't have to tell me the answer, my dear. You have to keep on solving. Then second, the value of -76 plus -32 minus -12 is A option. Is 1 minute, is 86, B -86, C 96 and D -96. Okay, work out. Chalo. Then third question. 6B22. Chalo, start. Those who are joining late, please be on the time, my dear. I will not admit anybody. Yes. Chalo, start solving this. Get the answer. Chalo, start. Get the answer. Then third, fill in the blank. Yes, no problem. 35 plus dash is equal to -9. You have to fill in the blanks. This question mark. A option is 26, B is -26, C is 44, and D is -44. Then fourth question. Let me give from fraction also. Fourth question. 5 upon 9 is equal to box upon 63. You have to fill the box. Question mark. Option A is option A is 25, B is 35, C is 45, and D is 55. Then fifth question, start solving, my dear. The least term of the lowest term of fraction, 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 16 upon 72. 16 upon 72 is dash. Option A is 1 by 9, B is 2 by 9, C is 4 by 9, and D is 5 by 9. You have to pick the correct answer, my dear. So start solving. Yes, what is the answer of first? Hello. Yes. What? 1 minute. Who said? Yeah, 1 minute. Who said -2? Now see this. Yes. Absolute value of -5. Absolute value of -5 will be 5. Then minus absolute value of -3 will be 3. Now 5 is having plus sign, 3 is having minus sign, opposite sign. You have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. 5 minus 3 is 2. Which number is bigger? 5. So plus 2 is the correct answer. The correct answer is plus 2. Okay? Yes? My dear, you have to be careful. Yet screen is clear, my dear. From my side, I have made everything clear. Second one is, what is your name? -96, what? Varun Patel, division A. Okay, Varun Patel has got -96. Let us see others. 90, no. My dear. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Varun Patel, 1 minute, my dear. Varun Patel -96. Varun Patel -96. Pavitra -96. Is there is any student -96? Sia. Okay. Sia got -96. 3 student -96. Anybody has got plus? Dia -96. Okay. Now is yes, Dia -96, Pavitra -96, then Sia -96, then Varun Patel -9. Is there is any student with plus 96? Plus 96. Plus 96. Plus 96. Is there is any student? What is your name? 1 minute, my dear. Let me speak. No, when I am speaking, you remain quiet because I am interacting with each one of you. Who has got plus 96? Ansh Yadav, plus 96. Let us see. Yes, tell me. One minute, my dear. I did not say that Ansh Yadav is correct. I don't know who is correct. Minus 96 is correct or plus 96. Let us see who are correct. Minus 76. Okay, minus 76. Then plus into minus will be minus. Minus 32. Then minus into minus will be plus. Now minus 76 and minus 32, they have same sign. So you have to add the number and take the common sign. 76 plus 32 is 108. Now common sign minus minus will be minus. Then plus 12. This is minus, this is plus. Opposite sign you have to subtract. 108 minus 12 is 96. Now which number is biggest? 108. So minus 96 is the correct answer. Minus 96 is the correct answer. Okay. So let us log this answer minus 96. Yes. So Ans Yadav. Yes. So Ans Yadav, it is minus 96, my dear. You have to take the sign. Yes, no problem. See, mistakes are a part of learning. Do not worry. At least you are making the effort to solve the problem. I am happy with that. So getting correct answer is not a too much thing. The best part is attempting the question. Do not worry whether I will get correct or whether I will get incorrect. Do not worry about answer. You go for attempting the question with the proper way. Very good. So you got 96. Answer is what is your name? 1 minute, my dear. Minus 44 Pavitra. Then other Sia minus. Dars also minus 44. Arav minus 44. Chalo, ठीक है. Let us. Is there is any student who has got plus 44? Plus 44. Let us see. No, my dear, let us see what will happen. This we consider x. Okay. So 35 plus x is equal to minus 9. Now this is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. When I will take 35 on the right hand side, it will become minus 35. X is equal to minus 9 minus 35. Okay. Now they have same sign. Minus minus same sign. Add the number, take the common sign. 35 plus 9, 44. Common sign minus minus will be minus. So minus 44 is the correct answer. Minus 44 is the correct answer. Okay. Chalo, fourth one. Okay. 35. Yes. Wait. 30. My dear. Chalo, 30. Yes. Very good. See here. You see the denominator. It is 9 and 63. 9 we are multiplying by which number will get 63? By 7. So numerator also you have to multiply by 7. 7 5s are 35. So 35 is my correct answer. 35. 2 upon 9. What is it? Wait. 2 upon 9. Okay. See, my dear. No, 16 upon 72. The lowest term of fraction 16 upon 72 is 2 upon 9 Varun Patel. Anybody else? One by one you tell me your name. Pavitra 2 upon 9. Okay. Then Arav 2 upon 9. Chalo. Diksha 2 upon 9. Swara 2 upon 9. Okay. Sia and Dars 2 upon 9. Then okay. 1 minute. So majority is telling 2 upon 9. Let us see what is our answer. To find the lowest term of fraction, we have to cancel the common term of numerator and denominator. Lowest term is you have to cancel the common term of numerator and common term of denominator. Let us see. 16 upon 72. 16 upon 72, 16 I can write 8 2s are 16, 72 I can write 8 9s are 72, 8 get cancelled, answer is 2 upon 9. Very good. So all of you got the answer correct, 2 upon 9. So 2 upon 9 is the correct option. Yes? Huh. And see, my dear, nothing should be written in the chat box. Again I am telling you, except your division and roll number, nothing should be written in the chat box. Because yesterday we have found one case. The student has written anything else apart from chat roll number. So action was taken. So nothing should be written in the chat box except your division and roll. ठीक है, see, you can write the answer, maximum you can write the answer, but do not write the answer because others will copy that answer. Your answer may be correct, may not be correct, that we do not write it. Let everybody attempt. So what is my effort? Everybody should attempt the question. Chalo, next. Yes, now sixth question. Let us write. Sixth question. Sixth question. The mixed fraction of fraction red ink is visible. Yes, the mixed fraction. Okay, the mixed fraction of the fraction 37 upon 9 is option A. 1:4/9. Option B. 4:1/9. Option C. 3:1/9. Option D. 2:1/9. Okay. So we have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Then seventh. This red is also visible, no, my dear? Okay, so you try to write so that if different colors are there. Okay, so go for attempting this. 1 minute. The lowest term of fraction 108 upon 60 is first 3/9, second 4/5, third 9/5, 9/5. No, let me 1:4/5, fourth one 2:4/5. Repeating, the mixed fraction of fraction 37 upon option 1 is 3/9. Let me write this A. Option B is 4/5. Option C is 1:4/5. Option D is 2:4/5. 2:4/5. Let me complete this side, then I will start discussion. So even if you solve the problem, do not be in a hurry to give me the answer. Don't be in a hurry to give me the answer. This side, once 4 questions I have completed, then while discussion you will give the answer. Before that you will not give the answer. Okay? Because each and every question what we are writing we have to discuss. So 4 questions, one at a time we are doing. Then third, then we are writing eighth one. The equivalent fraction of the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 7. Wait, the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 7 with denominator 56 with denominator 42 is a 17 upon 42, b 19 upon 42, c 18 upon 42, d 20 upon 42. Let me write one more question, then we'll start discussion. Okay? Then from fraction. The following is an improper fraction. The following is improper fraction. The following is improper fraction. A 3 by 7, b 9 by 13, c 11 upon 7, d 7 by 90. Chalo. Now tell me the answer of sixth answer. My dear, you have to tell me the answer option B, C, A, B. What is that? Oh, 1 minute. Who is saying C? B. 1 minute. Pavitra B, Ichha B, Varun Patel B. 1 minute, my dear. Arav B. Divyans B, Swara B. Okay, 10 B. 1 minute, my dear. Let me see your answer B is correct or not. So 37 upon 9. To convert improper fraction into mixed fraction, we divide 37 by 9. 9 fours are 36. Then 1 is the remainder. So this I can write 4 is to 1 by 9. 1 will go up. So option B is correct. 4 is to 1 by 9 is correct option. Very good. So all of you giving the correct answer. 4 is to 1 by 9. This. Yes, tell me. C option. Seventh one. D or C. What is that answer comes? What is that answer come? 9 upon 5. 9 upon 5 you can write mixed fraction. Correct? Yes. 12 into 9. No, 12 into 9 into 12 into 5. So 12 will get cancelled, 9 upon 5. Then 9 upon 5 you have to divide mixed fraction. That is 1 is to 4 by 5. 1 is to 4 by 5. Which option? C option. So C is the correct option. Okay. Then write down this. हाँ, now you have to write down. हाँ, 1 minute my dear, I will take the name of it. No, Arav, Varun Patel C, Arav C, 18, Divyans. हाँ, okay. So let us see whether C is the majority are saying C. Let us log this answer C. But before locking, we have to check the answer. So 3 upon 7 is the fraction. Okay, let us see. My dear, it is very much clear. 3 upon 7 is the fraction. Now you want denominator of this fraction 42. Correct? You want, so that means 7 you have multiplied by 6. To make denominator 7 as 42, 7 you have multiplied with 6. So 3 you will multiply by 6. So 3 6 are 18. 18 upon 42. So C is the correct answer. We lock it, this answer. 18 upon 42. हाँ. हाँ. So the following is a improper fraction. हाँ, 1 minute. Which part you did not understand? Which part? हाँ, 8th question. Wait. 8th question. Wait. Let me explain. 3 upon. Okay. 9th one. The following is a improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator should be greater than denominator. Improper fraction means numerator should be greater than denominator. So you check numerator upper part, denominator lower part. Where numerator is greater than denominator, that will be improper fraction. Numerator is 3, denominator 7. Numerator is less than denominator, proper fraction. Proper fraction. No, my dear, 9 upon 13 is, no, 9 upon 13 is proper fraction. Yes. हाँ, 9 upon 13. Yes. Yes, no problem. It is 9 upon 13. So, for improper fraction, for improper fraction, numerator should be greater than denominator. 11 is greater than 7. So C is the correct answer. Improper fraction. C is the correct answer. Okay. Yes. So proper fraction means numerator should be less than. Yes. It happens. It happens with us also. Do not worry. It happens with us also. Sometimes we also write something. But does not matter. Okay. We have to learn from our. Yes. Till our period is there, we have to keep on solving. We will not stop till your examination does not get over. We have to revise, make you perfect. Yes. So now see here, my dear, what you have seen in all these 4 questions, I have given C as the option. So if you do not solve the problem and go by just tukka, bluffing, tukka, you will write A, then B, then C, then D, A, B, C, D. In that way, you just click the answer. You will get the wrong answer. It may happen that I will give all the options C, 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 C. So in that case, your tukka or bluff will not work. Okay? So solve the problem. Yes. So without solving the problem, do not. Write down the proper fraction. My dear, wait, no. 10 question will come. The improper fraction of, write down this. The improper fraction of, 1 minute. The improper fraction of 3:1/7 is improper fraction of. Option A, 21/7. No, it is on. B is 22/7. It is on, my dear. C 23/7. D 24/7. Okay. Yes, camera is on. No. The improper fraction of 3:1/7 is. Let me write one more question. Camera is on, my dear. Yes, what about others? You are able to see? Yes. Hmm. Okay, okay. Okay. So, yes, 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 yes. Now, convert the following, 1 minute. The equivalent fraction of, yes, the equivalent fraction of, the equivalent fraction of, the equivalent fraction of 7 upon 9, 7 upon 5 with, with numerator, with numerator, with numerator 49 is, the equivalent fraction of 7 upon 5 with numerator 49 is, with numerator 49 is, options are A 35 upon 49, then B 49 upon 30. Numerator is 49. They are the option, no, my dear. They are the option, no. 14. Numerator you want 35. Numerator you want 49. चलो. Denominator last one it is 45. So what is the answer? Tell me. First 10th answer. Somebody. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Varun Patel 22 upon 7. Okay. Then Darsh 22 upon 7. Pavitra 22 upon 7. Ara 22 upon 7. Okay. Anushree also 22 upon 7. Let us see. Let us see. Let us see how this will come. This I can write 3 is to 1 by 7. You have to multiply 7 to 3, add 1. So 7 into 3 plus 1 upon 7. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 1 upon 7, that is 22 upon 7. So B is the correct option. Okay? B is the. One minute. 1 minute, my dear. See, if you go on telling that way. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. From A division, chalo. 1 minute, 1 minute. A division. A division. Who has got the answer of 11? A division. 1 by 1. Darsh, 1 minute. 1 minute. Darsh, what is your answer? Okay, let us see. Let us see. From A division, Darsh, Pavitra. A division. Swara. Ichha, Varun Patel. Okay. Okay, Sia wala. Now let us from B division. Divyansh. Okay, yes. Arushi. Arushi C. Let us see what is the answer. Let us check whether it is 49 upon 35 or not. Let us see. 7 upon 5. You want numerator 49. So this 7 becomes 49. That means you have multiplied 7 by 7. You have multiplied 7 with 7. So denominator also you have to multiply by 7. 5 7s are 35. 49 upon 35, C is the correct answer. So time is up. now we stop here. Then we are having one more period after this period. Again we will do 4 period revision only. Okay, now we stop here. Bye everybody. Bye everybody. Bye.